In this video, I will be showing you to Keystrokes Encryption software. What is Keystrokes Encryption software? The software encrypts your keystroke inputs so that software that seeks the data input by you on your system cannot have access to that data. This software monitors all activities on your computer and block keyloggers from reaching your sensitive information. What is antivirus, and why is it not effective on keyloggers? Antivirus works on particular programs. It tests the program and files as per the given instructions. If any program is beyond the teachings of any antivirus specified, it leaves it undetected. Further, if any trojan or malware is updated, an antivirus cannot detect it properly until that software is updated. So in the meantime, ransomware can steal or damage your sensitive information. Below is some anti-keylogger are explained. This software ensures excellent security for its users. It provides adequate protection to users' delicate information and privacy data. When you start typing on Windows 11 computers, the encryption module starts working after entering the keystrokes. Keyscrambler, the scrap will be visible to the information seeker when the encrypted keystrokes go through your operating system. Moreover, the keystrokes you enter will reach their destination as you type them. Find below some of the Keyscrambler's features. This app can encrypt typed information from more than 170 standalone apps. It encrypts typed information in more than 60 browsers. Keyscrambler automatically updates to its latest update. This application can encrypt typed information in more than 140 business programs with different advanced security features. You can easily navigate to the required steps on this program, or you can say it is a user-friendly application to use. If any of your questions did not answer, you could go to the FAQ section to resolve them. This program's troubleshooting tips are also available in the FAQ. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Press bell icon to get latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. Thanks for watching.